How to use parental control in Twitch. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use parental control in Twitch. Unfortunately, Twitch does not offer a traditional parental control dashboard with a PIN or a password lock. Instead, you must log into your child's account to manually adjust privacy and safety. First thing, you could filter the mature content. So what you need is go to your child's device and open up the profile section. Click on the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and locate content preferences. Under content preferences, you want to make sure to toggle the button for content display preferences. Make sure that all these buttons are toggled on. Once you've done this, you also want to make sure to go ahead and toggle the button on and off, and after which you want to go ahead and block the private message as well. For that too, you want to go to the profile icon, click on settings and go to privacy and security itself. While you're on this section, you want to go to block whisper from stranger. So you just want to go ahead and look for these. So you just want to toggle the button on, and this way you'll be able to protect or you'll be using an alternative form of parental control in Twitch. Now likewise, you could also go ahead and manage chats and interaction as well. You could enable chat filter, hide chat, as well as block user. So this way you should be able to use the parental control in Twitch. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.